to all. कैसे हैं आप सब? Hope you all are safe and sound. Stay healthy. Today we will discuss the very interesting part which is directly related to living life and can also be harmful to our life. Let it begin. Today's video theme is fluoride properties and demerits. Now you are thinking, fluoride is natural occurring in drinking water source. How can it be harmful? Yes, it can be harmful. Firstly, we should know the basis about fluoride. Fluoride is a chemical element with the symbol F and atomic number 9. It is the lightest halogen and as the most electronegative element, it is extremely reactive as it reacts with all other elements except for argon, neon and helium. Now from the fluoride in atomic table, you can see on your screen it is a p block element with element category relative nonmetal with configuration helium 2s square and 2p5. Now, how it can be harmful even it has properties? Let's see from the introduction part. As we all know, pure water is not easily available at all. Fluoride is a normal constituent of natural water and its concentration varies depending on the water source. According to the World Health Organization, the permissible limit for fluoride in drinking water is 1.5 mg per liter. Fluoride is beneficial when present within permissible limit of 1.0 to 1.5 mg fluoride per liter. We all know majority of fluoride intake for living being is through water. The fluoride level in water in India range from 2 to 29 ppm. Now, you can guess how much additional fluoride content we are drinking daily in our water. Fluoride is beneficial, yes, but if it is in permissible limit, which is 1.0 to 1.5 mg per liter. You can see fluoride is beneficial to slow down the loss of mineral from tooth animal, prevent the growth of harmful oral bacteria. If it exceeds its permissible limit, which is excess fluoride drinking water, cause dental fluorosis or skeleton fluorosis, it not only affect teeth and skeleton, but its accumulation over a long period of time can lead to change in DNA structure as well, cause soil and water pollution. Hope you have now understood how harmful the excessive amount of fluoride in drinking water is. There are different defluoridation techniques to adjust the level of fluoride in drinking water to the optimal level. We will discuss in my next upcoming video. Till now, thank you.